This video is about creating bank accounts for your business, right? You a six-figure income earner or whatever, and then you're transitioning from being an employee to an entrepreneur. And then you're like, okay, what's next? You got your LLC, you got your EIN, and now you want to create your business account. A lot of people make a mistake of operating their business from their personal account. I don't recommend that. Have I done it? Yes, I have, which is a no-no because it was like bookkeeping nightmare, and that was many years ago, and I learned what not to do. So moving forward, several businesses later, I start learning, right? You want to have your business bank account. And the number one bank account you want to have is the operating account, right? This is where the money go in and out. You operating out of it. And this is a checking account. What you want to do. So a lot of people may not be able to open all these different business accounts in the beginning, and that's okay. But the least that you can do, the least that you must do is have one business account that is separate from your personal account. But what professionals recommend for us to do as an entrepreneur is have 5 different accounts for your one business, right? You have the operating account, that's one, where the money go in and out, where you do payrolls, where you pay your contractor, where you pay your subscriptions and your rent on your home office, of course. And the next account that you must have is your your marketing account, because depends on what business you're building, right? You will need to market your business. Where do you market your business? You may want to market that on your YouTube channel. You want maybe Facebook, maybe you need to build an Instagram account, and all this is under marketing. So you want to have an account for that. And the next thing you must have is like in your business life, right? You have emergency fund, you have your saving funds, at least 3 to 6 months operating expenses. In the first year, it may be hard to figure out because you don't know exactly how much it takes you. And this is where you strategize it with someone who know what to do. Get yourself a business coach, get somebody to guide you, especially if it's something new for you. And it's easy to jump here and there and look at different advice that you may get. But the best thing to do is to get someone to guide you who've done it before, and definitely get yourself a CPA and stuff like that. Back to the saving account, just like in your personal life, you want to have a saving account in your business life. Why? Because the worst case scenario, right? COVID happened, pandemic happened, this happened, your business shift, and your business partner quit or whatever, and then you're in a ban. So you want to make sure you set aside money for the rainy day. And the fourth account that we recommend you to have is opportunity account, is the innovation account. It depends on how many years you've been in the business, right? After first year, second year, it may be, you may not need it as much, but there will be an opportunity come up for you to invest in different type of business, invest in real estate or whatever. You want to make sure you have funds in that account. The fifth bank account that you must have is the tax account, right? Of course, you can write off all these different business expenses for your taxes as a tax write-off, but at the same time, what if you start making income the first year? And that's what you want to set yourself up for, is to make income. And once the income start coming in, part of that will go to taxes. All the expenses that you learn to write off, to document as a business expense, this is where it becomes very helpful. And at the same time, you minimize paying taxes. At the same time, you also have to pay taxes unless you are paying taxes from different businesses or you're still an employee, you pay taxes, and you can kind of offset that, and your CPA is the best person to go to. Each business is an individual business, and each state is different, and each person have a very individual situation where everything is different for everybody. You want to learn the main rule, right? So you as a business owner know what to do, and that's it. At least when you start your business, open one account, if not 5. If you don't have the means to open all 5, open at least one operating for the first few months, and if until you get clarity, then you start opening different accounts, and that would be very helpful when you do your taxes come April 15th, and it will save you a lot of headache and save your CPA, your tax person, a lot of headache. And hopefully this has been helpful for you, and comment below. And if you have any questions about starting your business from being an employee to being an entrepreneur, and this is what this channel is all about, comment below if you find this video helpful, and ask me any questions. Ask me about any questions that you may have as an employee transitioning to being entrepreneur, anything that you want to know to start your own business. Until next time, have a great day.